I think I'm perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. She's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm perfect. Perfect.
You ready? All right then. What's going on, people? It's your boy, Ross Tax in this bitch. You already know. Is professionally calibrating your television worth it? Truthfully, it depends. But a lot of people I speak to seem to think that professionally calibrating your TV is someone just coming in and tinkering with the service settings and whatnot to make it look the way it looks. That's not what it is. You get a specialist who comes down and uses various equipment like a spectroradiometer, pattern generator and a color emitter and all sorts. That process could usually take anywhere between 2.5 to about 4.5 hours in this bitch. That's a lot of time. He adjusts settings, the advanced settings, and tests the TV to your environment. A lot of people tend to get picture settings from websites, and that's great, but it might not be ideal for your lighting conditions at home. And getting your television calibrated will give you the best possible picture and viewing experience for your environment. Can it make a big difference? Yes, it can. It can make a huge difference. That service costs anywhere between £250 to £450 here in the UK. Now, when I purchased my TV, I always tend to go for flagships because in my head, I think to myself, right, I'm going to get a TV and I'm going to keep it for about 5-6 years maybe, and then I'll upgrade it. So I might as well get a high-spec one. If I'm spending £2,600 on a television, is spending £350 a viable option to get the best possible picture experience? The answer is yes, of course it is. But there's a lot of people who get budget TVs or mid-range or low-range TVs for a number of reasons. Firstly, it's cost, because let's be honest, these TVs aren't cheap in this bitch. I got a friend who buys low-budget 4K TVs. His reasoning is, technology moves so fast, my TV's gonna be obsolete in a year anyway, so he'd rather just upgrade every year. Spend $700-800, maybe $1,000, get a TV, upgrade it every year or every other year. You might actually be a genius in this bitch. If you're one of those people who have spent $600 to about £1,500, dollars, whatever, I wouldn't recommend getting a television professionally calibrated. You bought a TV for £800, you're spending £300 to get it calibrated. It doesn't seem worth it, it doesn't seem viable. So if you spent $2.5K or above, $350 is not a lot to get it pristine. I always recommend watching 4K or whatever in movie mode. There are tons of settings online to accommodate a 4K TV. There are very few settings online to give you a professional calibration of a television with 10-bit deep color and HDR. Professional Calibration Service has professional tools for HDR as well. So you're gonna get the whole shebang. I have other people who have a very similar model to mine, JS900 for instance, which is I think just one rung lower. People have come around and said, why is my shit not looking as good as your shit? I'm like, well shit, you gotta spend £350 in this bitch. Those are my thoughts on that. I hope to help with some of you making your decision. And if some of you guys have had it already calibrated, tell me what you think. Tell me if it made a big difference to your viewing experience. All right guys, you take care. I'ma catch you soon.